Most people, when they come in and talk to us about being injured in an auto accident, they want to know who's going to pay for their treatment. Most of the time, you want to think that the person who caused the accident, or was the person who was at fault, should be paying for it. Well, ultimately they may, but in the short term in Colorado, the other party's insurance is only required to give you a one-time settlement. And if that's the case, then your own health insurance or yourself are going to have to pay for your care until you get that settlement. And you don't want to be in too big of a rush to get that settlement because you want to make sure you're okay. You want to make sure you're 100% or as close to it as you can get. Good diagnosis and have an idea of what it's going to take to get better, or preferably be better. So you're going to have to pay for that somewhere, or someone is. And one of the things that you can do, and you may have this not even know it, is that you could have medical payments on your car insurance, your own car insurance. That's something that's offered and you have to specifically waive when you buy your car insurance. And it comes in increments of $5,000, $10,000, $25,000. And what that is, that's insurance that specifically pays for injuries that you get if you're involved in a car accident. Now what's good about that is other health insurance like Medicare, Medicaid, Rocky Mountain Health Plans, Blue Cross Blue Shield, any of those have what's called subrogation clauses in them. That means that there's a little clause in there that says that if you're injured and you receive a settlement as a result of that injury, they may be able to get paid back for the money that they've paid for your medical care. If that's the case, you need to factor that in before you settle your case, and you need to know how much it is, what do they want, and that's one of the things we can help you with. The nice thing about the medical payments on your car insurance is that they don't have a subrogation right. They don't get paid back. I know it's kind of unfair sometimes to think that when you have insurance, medical insurance, that it feels a little bit like a loan, but that's the way it is. So one of the things we're able to help with is to figure out how much may be owed back to people, if any, in terms of your medical care when you get a settlement, so that it puts as much money as possible back in your pocket. And we think that's one of the things we can help you with.